If you need to reset two-factor authentication on your Expedia account, follow these steps to regain access and secure your account. Step 1. Access the Expedia login page. Go to the Expedia website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your account credentials to log in. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the page. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security or Two-Factor Authentication section. Click on it to view your current authentication methods. Step 4. Choose to reset two-factor authentication. Select the option to reset or disable two-factor authentication. You may need to verify your identity through an email or SMS code sent to your registered contact information. Step 5. Set up new two-factor authentication. After successfully resetting, follow the prompts to set up a new two-factor authentication method. This may involve linking a new phone number or using an authentication app. Once you have completed these steps, your two-factor authentication will be reset, and you can continue using your Expedia account securely.